So here is how we can decrease the screen time on the iPhone. Let me talk about it. And if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, you can go to your settings and find the screen time section right here. And if you feel like it's showing some of the data, you don't want to use it anymore, right? So you can tap on this and go back in time and see how much data I've been using, right? But what you're going to do in here is to scroll to the bottom like that, and you're going to turn off app and website activity. And when you click on this, you can see that this is going to be turned off. And in this iPhone, we don't really have any data about it. So if you want to decrease it in this sense that you disable it fully, then you can see that's the option to do it. But you can then re-enable it, and it's going to start from 0. So that's something that you can definitely do, and that's a way to reset it. But outside of that, you can as well, if you mean decreasing the screen time of your usage and kind of limit the usage of yourself, you can as well go to the screen time section and set up what's called app limits. These are basically just for you to keep track of your usage behaviors, and if you want to just lower down the screen time in a sense that you want to use apps less, for example, you can set up the app limit like this and choose the type of app you want to apply it for. So let's say I'm going to pick the game, which let's say that I play a lot, right? I do not, but let me give you an example like this. And I'm going to choose that this game can only be played for 15 minutes per day. And after the time is up, it's going to give me the pop-up. It's going to try to block it, and it's a nice way to remind me that, yeah, perhaps I should put it away. So that's how you can limit and decrease the screen time if you want to do it for yourself, and if you just want to use your phone less in a general. So that's how it would work. Let me know if I mentioned all of the stuff that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.